Today, welcome to Cooking with Baba. And we make chicken soup. And my grandchildren say this is Baba soup, not chicken soup. And you have to watch how to make it. Watch how I cut the chicken. Skin off, cut on the pieces, and we will put in the water. You want to see? For one chicken, I boil half a pot water. It's maybe like 2 quarts. And we put chicken. Boil for half an hour. Put salt and pepper. And we have to put like half a cup celery, half onion, carrots, and leek. Pepper and salt to taste. Now I put every single vegetable in a pot. And you can boil for a while. And almost gonna be end, put fresh parsley. Chop, chop. Parsley smells so good with chicken. Tastes delicious.